YouTube, this is Felicia Loves and welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, this is my coffee bar for fall. Y'all, I am so excited about this coffee bar. It is simple, it is easy, and it is extremely functional. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. So glad that you came. And this will be just a preview of my fall decor. I'm going to show you my coffee bar and other little touches around my home that I have made the house feel like fall. So if this is something that you're interested in watching, please stay tuned, and also like and subscribe and leave comments down below. It really helps my channel. Thank you guys and enjoy. Hi guys, it's time to put away my summer coffee bar and update it with my new fall coffee bar. So as I do this, I wanted to go over a few questions for fall that I thought would be fun and entertaining. The first question that I have is, would I eat a caramel apple or a candy apple? That one is so easy. I love caramel apples, so that's what I would choose, a caramel apple. It says, would I rather get lost in a corn maze or go on a hayride? Growing up, my grandfather used to take us on hay rides, and I loved it, and I would rather go on a hayride. It reminds me of those times. The next question is, would I live in an apple orchard or a pumpkin patch for a week? Of course, I would have to choose the pumpkin patch, because how else am I going to see the great pumpkin, Charlie Brown? So I would choose the pumpkin patch. The next question is, would I wear a cozy sweater or a comfy hoodie? Well, I will always choose the cozy sweaters. I love nice cozy sweaters. The next question is, would I collect pine cones or acorns? Well, to be totally 100% honest, I love both. But if I had to choose, I would choose the pine cones. So I would love to collect the pine cones. The next question is, chicken noodle soup or chili? And I'm going to have to say, for the fall, I'm going to choose the chili, because I love homemade chili. The next question, would I drink hot cocoa or cold apple cider? Well, in this instance, I'm definitely going to choose the hot cocoa. Had the apple cider been warm or hot apple cider, I would have went with the apple cider. Okay. The next question is, wear a raincoat or carry an umbrella? I love a good raincoat, but I always would much prefer a good umbrella. So I'm going to go with the umbrella. The next question is, smell like vanilla or smell like cinnamon? For the fall, I'm going to go with cinnamon. I think cinnamon smells so good in the fall. And the next question is, wear big warm slippers or thick fuzzy socks? I'm going to go with the thick fuzzy socks. I love, love, love thick fuzzy socks. That is like one of my go-tos. Okay, now I'm about to decorate my vignette on the side of my coffee bar. This is basically where I keep the ingredients to go inside the coffee. Over the years, I have exchanged the containers for really pretty containers, but to make my life so much simpler, I decided to leave them in their original packaging, which is really cute because it has fall colors. As you see, I'm moving them closer to the coffee bar, so the right hand side will be, messed with less, as opposed to having to always reach over those things. So that's why I changed it up.